Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn off 5G on your iPhone 15 Pro. For that you want to go to your settings, and now you want to go to mobile service, and then you want to click on mobile data options, and here you want to click on voice and data, and right now 5G auto is selected. You can also say 5G on or LTE. Down here you see that 5G auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life, and 5G on uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. 5G may impact battery life and reliability of some voice calls and data. So that's some important info down here. We can also turn on LTE, then your phone just doesn't look for 5G at all. You might want to choose LTE if you live in an area where you can't use 5G, or when your phone and provider do not support 5G, then it just doesn't make sense that you have 5G on. If you can access it and can use it, you want to turn that off. You can decide for yourself whether you want it when it's needed for performance or whenever it's available. That's up to you, but you can choose that here and then go back, use your phone as normal. So that's how you can turn on and off the 5G on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.